Okay, folks, Bob here at Bob's Classic Cars and Parts. Unfortunately, I can't spend a lot of time on this car because my battery is getting weak. I'm up here at auto auction. I've been up here all day. This is a 58 Edsel Citation Convertible. I believe this is the second Edsel that I've had on my channel. Pretty cool. Again, this is another color that's kind of a crimson red. Citation. 1958. Yeah, it's got the transmission buttons inside the steering column. Inside the steering wheel. I'll go ahead and take a look at that in a second. Things. Really well done car. Really, really, really well done car. Where would they find the parts for these things? I ain't gonna say it's the prettiest car ever been made because it ain't, but it's just something about it. It's an Edsel. Yeah, right here. There's park, reverse, neutral, drive low. Beautiful. Check out that dash up here. Speedometer, I mean. That is cool. Kind of a state-of-the-art car. Look where they put the fenders. The mirrors on the fender. Pretty darn slick car. All right, folks, let me get out here. I'm about to lose my battery. Bob out.